Today I would like to talk about nursery bedroom design idea. This is the sketching layout plan with the measurements. Do you have any ideas for this nursery bedroom sketching layout plan? Stay on this video. MG Interior Design Concept will show you how. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Girl from MG Interior Design Concept. So let's study the space in this bedroom. The entrance is here. Then there are two windows opposite the entrance. Then we can see here, this is the suitable for wardrobe or storage. But it's just 500 mm deep for a wardrobe. With doors or without the doors? Need to think about it. As we know, taking care of a baby has few things need to consider. The first thing is fitting. So in this nursery bedroom, need an armchair because the armchair is comfortable. So the fitter can able to sit longer when fitting the baby. There is a socket behind the armchair. And of course a baby bed with a side table. Besides that, there are some baby things and needed. I think the original wardrobe space is not suitable to keep the baby things. After I get the space planning done on sketching, then I need to know how to put the needed list inside this space. So I transfer the sketch to AutoCAD to show the clean lines and correct measurements. From this plan, I have a new idea to have a wardrobe with two doors and this corner and a chest cabinet next to the wardrobe. Baby clothes are small, so it is better to keep in the chest cabinet. Then, the wardrobe with two doors is for the big things. They are going to be entrance here, because it is easy for the parents to take things when the baby is not in the room. This layout plan also following the current lighting and plug point located, which has a 4 lamp behind the armchair, which during the night time fitting the baby without the 4 downlights switch on. And the chest cabinet will have a table lamp for them to easy to take things in the dark. Now, it's time to view how the space is going to look like when including the height of 2400 mm. As we can see the original wardrobe space. So, what's going to happen after adding the furniture, colors, wallpaper, decoration and lamps? Let's get started. I'm using soft gray on the walls for this nursery bedroom, and the wall behind the baby bed having a nice piece wallpaper and make the bedroom more interesting. As we mentioned before, we'll have an armchair with a 4 lamp here, then the cabinet and the chest cabinet opposite the bed. Then the last, ta-da! The original wardrobe space area. I'm using plywood separate to fill layers for putting in the boxes to store things. Something new idea on this area. This is how it's going to look like after all the lights have on. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and please remember to subscribe this channel just in case you miss the next coming video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.